In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create text effect. So let's dive in. Select text tool and use your preferred font. Now press Ctrl T to transform the text. Now adjust and position the text as shown. Now make the text rasterize type. Now right click and select warp. Now go to warp menu and select arc. Now make the text shape like that. After that, again go to warp menu. Now select custom. Adjust the text like this. After that, hold Ctrl and click on the text layer thumbnail to select the text. Now off the layer visibility. Now select the upper layer and add a layer mask. Now select the brush tool with 100% hardness and opacity. Make sure the foreground color is white. Now start painting like this to visible two sides. Now create a drop shadow using brush tool as shown. Now feel free to create a gradient background if required. Thanks for watching. See you next video.